Features Introduction. High voltage DC lamp control solution with UHP 1500, 380E fanless power supply is front-end circuit, quiet and efficient. Applying NHDD HVDC or high voltage direct current LED drivers to save space. DLC-02 the DALI controller plus DAP-04 the DALI to PWM converter. The system can be flexibly configured through software settings. System architecture. Demonstration of the high voltage DC lamp control solution. The diagram is a schematic diagram of the system configuration. The high voltage DC power supply is mainly to provide stable voltage to NHDD high voltage DC LED driver. Then NHDD converts the voltage into constant current to drive the lamps and dims its output current according to PWM signal. Please pay attention. The voltage difference between the NHDD input voltage and forward voltage of the LED in series connection must be above 40 volts DC and not exceed 80 volts DC. High voltage DC centralized light control demonstration, with DALI interface. The DLC-02 controller receives the DALI signal sent by the DALI switch, or sensor. It will issue commands to DAP-04 after processing the information. DAP-04 mainly converts the DALI command of the controller into PWM signal. The picture is the system light control display box. Box configuration display. UHP 1500 380E, DLC-02. DALI panel switch to demonstrate high voltage centralized power supply and DALI intelligent light control. DAP-04 is placed in the ceiling to shorten the distance of the PWM control line to reduce signal attenuation. The PWM control line is recommended to be as short as possible. NHDD is built in the lighting fixtures during production. The total voltage of LEDs in series is about 320 volts. NHDD is not only suitable for flat panel lights, but also for various lamps such as bar lights and downlights. DLC-02 software. First, execute a new installation and let the DLC search for equipment such as lights and switches. After scanning, the window will pop up the corresponding devices. Click on the LED page to set the lighting parameters. For example, fade time. Set automatic execution events on the timer page. For example, add the time slot during weekdays that you want the DLC to automatically execute in. After finishing the lamp and timer settings, enter the effect page to configure the connection between lamps and switches. Set short push and long push dimming conditions. Same procedure for the rest of light fixtures. Set timers and fixtures to automatically execute events. Automatically turn off lights during lunch break. Then set the lights to turn on at 1 p.m. After all links and events are set, load the settings into DLC-02. Once completed, you can experience the powerful features brought by the DLC. Demonstration. Panel switch on-off and dimming control according to settings. (12:30) lights off during lunch break. Lights on at 1 p.m. Under the same illumination setting, the system efficiency is increased by 3 to 5%. Protection for output overload and short circuit of high voltage power supply, improving system security. DLC-02 is fully functional and has a simple software interface easy to use and configure with high flexibility. Thank you for watching 3+N System Power Solution.